7 Health Benefits of Baking Soda. Did you know that one of the most powerful health tools is sitting right in your kitchen cupboard? It's not a fancy gadget or a costly supplement, it's just plain old baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its role in baking and cleaning, but its benefits extend far beyond these common uses. This humble white powder is packed with a surprising array of health benefits. In today's video, we're going to uncover 7 health benefits of baking soda, revealing how this everyday ingredient can be a significant player in your health and wellness routine. Stay tuned as we explore the incredible ways baking soda can enhance your life. 1. Enhances kidney health. Let's dive into one of the most remarkable yet lesser-known benefits of baking soda, its ability to support kidney health. You might be surprised to learn that this common kitchen ingredient plays a crucial role in maintaining your body's pH balance. But why is this important for your kidneys? Your kidneys are vital organs that filter and remove waste products from your blood. They also help regulate blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and pH levels. The proper functioning of your kidneys depends on a delicate balance of acidity and alkalinity. This is where baking soda comes into play. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, naturally helps regulate pH levels. When your body leans towards acidity, baking soda can neutralize some of the excess acid. This is particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic kidney disease, a condition where the kidneys start to fail gradually. Research has shown promising results. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that patients with chronic kidney disease who added baking soda supplements to their regimen had slower progression of the disease compared to those who did not. This is thought to be because the baking soda helps to keep the blood slightly more alkaline, which is a healthier state for kidney function. By simply helping to manage the body's pH, baking soda supports the kidneys in their vital role, offering a simple, yet powerful tool to enhance your health. Who knew that a little pinch of baking soda could go such a long way? If you are finding these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness content. 2. Improves digestive health. Now, let's turn our focus to another surprising benefit of baking soda, its ability to improve digestive health. If you've ever suffered from indigestion or heartburn, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Thankfully, baking soda is a simple remedy that can bring quick relief. Baking soda's superpower lies in its ability to neutralize stomach acid. When you feel that burning sensation in your chest or the unpleasant taste of acid reflux, it's because the acid in your stomach is surging upwards. Baking soda, when dissolved in water, reacts with stomach acid and turns it into water and other natural substances. This not only neutralizes the acid but also reduces the burning sensation. Let's talk about how you can use this kitchen staple to treat heartburn. Here's a quick and easy recipe. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water. Stir it well and drink it slowly. The baking soda will work like a charm to reduce the acidity in your stomach and provide quick relief from heartburn. Remember, while baking soda is effective for occasional heartburn and indigestion, it's not recommended for frequent use or as a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you experience regular digestive issues. 3. Boosts athletic performance. Moving from the kitchen to the gym, let's explore how baking soda can enhance athletic performance. Yes, you heard that right, baking soda isn't just for baking, it's also for boosting your workout. When you engage in intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid as a byproduct. This lactic acid buildup is what causes the burning sensation in your muscles and can limit how long you're able to exercise. But here's where baking soda comes in. It acts as a buffer, neutralizing some of this acid buildup, allowing you to push harder for longer. Several studies highlight the performance-enhancing effects of baking soda. For instance, research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that athletes who consumed baking soda before intense exercise could perform at high intensity for longer periods than those who didn't. Another study from Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise reported similar findings, noting improved sprinting times and reduced feelings of exhaustion in athletes who took baking soda. This simple household product could be the secret ingredient to extending your endurance and enhancing your performance during those high-intensity workout sessions. 4. Oral health miracle. Switching from the gym to the bathroom, let's explore another incredible benefit of baking soda. It's a miracle for your oral health. Many of us dream of a brighter smile, and baking soda is a trusted ally in achieving just that. Baking soda is not only effective in whitening teeth, it also neutralizes harmful acids in your mouth. These acids can break down tooth enamel and lead to cavities and gum disease. Baking soda's alkaline properties help balance the pH level in your mouth, preventing acid damage and keeping your teeth and gums healthy. Now, if you're interested in a natural way to brighten your smile, here's a simple DIY toothpaste recipe you can try at home. Just mix a small amount of baking soda with a little hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. This combination not only helps whiten your teeth but also creates an environment where bacteria struggle to survive, ensuring your mouth stays fresh and clean. Remember to use this homemade toothpaste sparingly, as excessive use can be abrasive to tooth enamel. Always consult with your dentist before trying new dental care routines. 5. Natural deodorant. Shifting our focus from oral health to personal hygiene, let's uncover another impressive use of baking soda. It can keep you smelling fresh as a natural deodorant. Many commercial deodorants contain chemicals that might be effective but can also be harsh on sensitive skin. Baking soda offers a simpler and gentler alternative. Baking soda's antibacterial properties are the key to its effectiveness as a deodorant. It doesn't just mask odors, it actually neutralizes them. By reducing the bacteria that cause body odors, baking soda keeps you smelling clean naturally. Using baking soda as a deodorant is incredibly easy. Simply pat a small amount of baking soda onto your underarms, just like you would with talcum powder. You can also mix it with a bit of cornstarch for extra moisture absorption. For those with sensitive skin, try adding a few drops of coconut oil to the mixture to create a smoother, skin-friendly paste. Keep in mind, while baking soda is generally safe for everyday use, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any sensitivity. 6. Skin irritations and insect bites soother. Now, let's talk about a soothing solution for those annoying skin irritations and insect bites. Baking soda, a simple compound in your kitchen, can be a gentle yet effective remedy for reducing discomfort from various skin ailments. Baking soda works wonders on the skin due to its mild antiseptic properties and its ability to neutralize acids and bases. This means it can help reduce the itching and swelling associated with insect bites and other skin irritations like sunburn. Making a baking soda paste is straightforward. Just mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water until you have a thick paste. Apply this paste directly to the affected area. If you're dealing with a sunburn, you can spread a thinner layer to cover a larger surface area or add more water to create a soothing soak. The cooling effect not only feels great but also helps reduce the pain and irritation. Leave the paste on the skin for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. This simple remedy is easy to whip up and can be a quick fix to relieve discomfort and hasten the healing process. 7. May improve certain cancer treatments. As we reach our final unexpected health benefit of baking soda, let's delve into its potential role in cancer treatment. Recent research has begun to explore how this common household item might enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, has been studied for its ability to regulate pH levels. Some researchers believe that by making the environment around tumors less acidic, baking soda may help chemotherapy drugs perform more effectively. The theory is that a less acidic environment can make cancer cells more susceptible to treatment. However, it's important to note that this is an emerging area of research. While the initial findings are promising, they are far from conclusive. If you or someone you know is considering this approach, it's critical to consult with a healthcare professional. This kind of treatment should only be pursued under professional guidance and within the context of approved clinical trials. We've explored a variety of surprising ways that baking soda, a simple and common household item, can enhance your health. From boosting kidney function and improving digestive health to enhancing athletic performance and oral hygiene. We've also seen how it can serve as a natural deodorant, soothe skin irritations and insect bites, and may even support cancer treatments. As we wrap up, I encourage you to consider incorporating baking soda into your health and wellness routine. However, remember to do so cautiously and always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes, especially if you are considering it for medical treatments.